Okay, so this is the tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to get GoldenEye X running and working. So here we have the file that I sent you guys. So it's an archive, it's zipped up, gotta unzip it, so hit extract all, extract. You have this box checked, it'll bring you right to the folder when it's done. Okay, boom. Here's all your emulator files, here's the emulator program, as a little icon, ePen64. So if we do this in the small icons, that'll be this one, ePen64. Okay, we run it. Okay, it's really tiny for me for some reason, I don't know why. Okay, so here's me ePen64. Now, you'll see GoldenEye here, but if you double click it'll say failed to open ROM. That's because first you have to go to Options, Settings, Directories, hit Remove All, then hit Add. Now, the directory you're going to want to add is going to be that same file we just unzipped, so the same folder that's right here. So for me it was on the desktop, it was ePen64, hit OK, then OK. Now you should see GoldenEye X cloudless version. So if we double click that, it should pop right up, it should load perfectly. Okay, there it is, it's loading. Okay, we hit close ROM. Now, you're going to want to configure your controls. Go to Options, Input Settings, and here's how you configure your controls, right here. Click anything. So, for example, if you want the right trigger to be something, you click R and then you hit, I hit I on the keyboard. So the R button, the R trigger button on the N64 controller will be mapped to I on my keyboard. So this is gonna be up to you. You guys do this on your own. You map out how you want the controls to be for your mouse keyboard setup, or if you have a USB gamepad, you could plug in. Benji and I have a USB gamepad. We were playing earlier today. It was fun. You figure that out. That's going to be up to you. Now, in order to play online, hit Utilities, Chimera Client, type in a nickname up here, make sure it's on Client Play, on mode, Client Mode, and then we will meet up on a certain server. I might make my own server or buy my own server if this works out. But for now we're going to use other available servers. So hit Master Servers List. And hopefully we'll all be on voice chat before we select a server, but we're going to have to find something with a very low ping so all of us don't lag. So this Demon Cat or Odin, these seem to be really good. As long as we're below like 50, we should be good. It lags a little bit, but like it's still playable because lag seems to affect everybody equally. So let's go to this Demon Cat because this is a really low ping for me. So here's the chat room. You enter, all the usernames appear here, so all of us will be listed here if we're all in the same chat room. That way we all know everybody's in the same server. This right here is short for create. So create GoldenEye game. And then once I hit create GoldenEye game, I will be the host and the game will pop up here. Say GoldenEye X, emulator, blah blah blah, user Hydro. And you'll be able to double click it and join my game. So here, create GoldenEye X. So now I'm in the lobby waiting for the game. You guys will join me. And then I hit start once everybody's ready. And then the emulator loads. It pops up. So that's it. You can do full screen. You can do the video settings here. You could edit them, how big you want the windowed resolution to be. So I have mine set right now that I think, yeah, right here. So you could change this. Ooh, that looks funky. So let me see if I go full screen, if it'll crash it. It is prone to crashing. Okay, no, it seems to work. Okay. So, if you can't see anything at this point, just stop watching. There's no point. I just want to show you a little demo. So here we go. It's like perfect dark, but it's hacked. Everything's GoldenEye. So I have a file. Nope, I didn't load my player. I actually want to go back and load my player. I'm weird like that. No. So I am playing online right now. I am linked to the server, but I'm not synced with any other player. So it's going very smoothly for me. So each of us will have a player on my game pack. So it'd be best if I hosted. So here's my player. This is Benji. There's like all these player settings you could do. We'll set that up when we first get going. But once the settings are loaded, I'm sure it's a familiar face to a lot of you. And yeah, I mean, it's GoldenEye. It's a little laggy right now. Oh god. Oh my god, it's like Xenia, but she's in like a man body. Oh my god. Yeah, these bots are good, man. These bots are good. Oh, should we just run the corner? I just need to get my first kill. Oh my god, this is so hard. Yeah, okay, whatever. You can't like circle strafe, it doesn't like work anymore. And that's it, man. So, yeah, let's get it working, huh? Let's get it working. Thanks.